Hello backers, I'm outside, and you know what that means? The prototype is complete. Yes, thanks to you and all the rest of the backers, we have managed to produce our prototype. All your rewards are on their way to your doorstep. Now, let's jump in and check out the prototype.
And here we are, backers. Here's the final product. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take you through some of the features. We type in my name in there, and there we go. A set of instructions, and then we can load up different planets. So when you press these in Jupiter, for example, we'll play it now. We're on the Jupiter map. So if we actually give a bit of a play here, you see the WASD keys move you around on the screen, up and down, with the enemies that shoot at you. And we've got the asteroids, and see I just picked up one of the pickup power-ups there, and we have a secondary attack, which is the other mouse button. And the spacebar, it changes your element type, so you can match it. Try and match this asteroid. So we blew it up because we matched its type. You can see that we're counting up score. We have a health over there. We have a UI down there that takes care of letting you know what power-ups you've got and what mode you're in. You can switch between there. There's quite a few power-ups in amongst here. They're randomly spawned. The progress along the level, it gets more and more difficult. So one of the hardest things that I had to solve in this was when the enemies pass from left to right on the screen, they run into each other. And what I needed them to do was to avoid each other. And the way I came up with that was to have them do effectively a sort of aerial maneuver to avoid each other. One of the problems I encountered was in Unreal Engine 4, they use Euler rotations to handle all the rotations as opposed to quaternions. So I was encountering gimbal lock, and I had to come up with a to avoid the gimbal lock problem. There is actually a complete dialogue sequence that you go through, story and some background information about what is going on. Okay, so I've actually drafted up a set of instructions, and in these instructions, which will be submitted along with the prototype, and there's a few notes of bugs. So there is still a bug where the enemies jitter from back and forth when they get locked between the edge of the level and an asteroid. There is some particle effect strangeness when the particle effects strike the surface of the planet. The unimplemented features that I never got around to was an item shop where you could buy upgrades for your ship, and the upgrades for the ship never actually got completed. They were just integrated directly into the power-ups. And the ability to have multiple ships. There is actually some features you could miss. There is a player score, and the player score persists through playthroughs even if you close the game out. And there is actually a cheat menu in there that allows you to explore some of the mechanics, shift tilde, and these brings up these options in here that you can turn on. So that's it. I hope you enjoy No Man's Sky, and we'll see you on the next project.